Here's my red carpet picture. Tell me I'm not famous. Hey guys, welcome back to Jenna Doing Things. Today I am back with a review for South Africa's newest comedy, Who's My Daddy? Okay guys, so we are here at the Grand West Casino. Correct, stand still. Show the people what you look like. Twirl, do a twirl, do a twirl. Full. And do me. Do me. Now further, tilt it down. This is my look. And I thank you. People walking past thinking, what the fuck is this girl doing?
You're gonna see my name. I'm not gonna be as your plus one. You're gonna see my name.
Look at this plus one acting fresh. Joshua the Natural is here, living. Akila Suleiman, and this is my book for the night. Come, okay, wait. Outfit check, wait. Stand like a couple. And this is the foot. Yes. I love it. The hair, baie belangrik. No, come. The hair is here. Joshua the Natural. In his
natural habitat.
In his natural habitat, always. I just want
things plus one.
Thank you, Jenna. Doing things plus one.
We made it, baby. Hi, Jenna doing things.
How you doing?
Gorgeous. Absolute compliment me back, bitch.
You look stunning. Auntie Nikki.
Hello.
You are here because your mother liked to truck. Tambai.
Get up, you bloody lazy thing. You're sleeping here like this is your house.
Bunch of losers.
You have done nothing. You haven't published one story. Do whatever it takes to get the juice.
Why don't you and I do a show together, man? Cowboy and Indian. Yeah, unfortunately we don't work with losers, but have a coffee. Lekker. Good, David. I'm also looking for an agent. You want to take my number? Yeah.
There's the agent. I'm gonna take you far and everyone will know Prakash. Help you. Elma will help you.
Your daddy's so dark.
Let me move my face to the light.
Tell us about your father. I never knew my father. Can I have one of these?
Isn't you going swimming after this?
Yeah, I'm gonna dive into the deep end. Gonna see my kryptonite.
Where is his mother now? Disappeared.
I think your dad is one of these guys. You must see yourself in Devon. Stop the car!
She could be a criminal.
Not a criminal, man. When's that?
Welcome to Phoenix. And who's this?
I have a yoga speed dating business. I'm the instructor. Power of your glutes through the downward dog.
He was giving her his sweetness.
I got a new move I want to try with you called the upward dog.
I just received a call from the Sangoma.
Yeah?
She said she wants to help you to find your father.
You must be naked.
Get inside that ocean. Get inside deep.
The best thing to do is to get a DNA test to be conclusive.
I will distract him while you get the hair sample.
Oh, you think I'm your father?
You know Mama? Her name was Vasagi Naya.
I used to call it Vijay Naya.
His mother was lekker and thick.
Everyone had a round with Yoma.
We're here to see Mr. Mahendra Rabanat. And this is my nurse.
Sister Bettina.
Nurse? get in here?
Welcome to Daddy's Anonymous.
Away, Pasakanar! I'm your daddy now.
Do you think he's gonna find his dog?
So the entire movie follows these three as they make their journey on their way to success, but also into finding love. And I think that's all I can say about the storyline because I don't want to spoil it too much. But I will say that you can look forward to a South African star-studded cast. The jokes are jam-packed with South African humor. I feel like it's really catered to South African humor because it's like South African inside jokes. It's really written for a South African audience. If South African humor and crude jokes, let me just tell you, there are so many dick jokes, so many cunt jokes, so many shorty jokes. You are gonna die. So if you are looking for a night out of fun and laughter, exciting movies that are not going to depress you or make you worry about life or make you cry, but cry of laughter, then Who's My Daddy is the one for you. It is jam-packed with action, and every time you think it's gonna go somewhere, something else comes. It's so exciting and you never get bored. There's just so much happening. So if you are looking for a fun night out where you can just sit back and relax and laugh until your stomach hurts, Who's My Daddy is the night out for you. Finally, I would just like to personally say thank you to my new bestie, Nadia Jafthas. Guys, can I just include this clip here? Like, Nadia is hugging me like she missed me. Are we besties now? Not only was this an opportunity to, attend a movie premiere and have a fun night out socializing, but I also got to meet, I'm in the TikTok family. I've been in Rank in the past 2 weeks, which is why I haven't been here with my Real Housewives reviews. But it also gave me an opportunity to meet all of my favorite TikTok rankers, TikTokers in general, people that I spend most nights with, and I finally got to meet them in person. So thank you so much, Nadia, for the invite. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and would like to see more videos like this. And press that subscribe button now to keep up to date with all of Jenna Doing Things. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!